Hi everyone, I'll be talking about the Makeup Revolution highlighter palette today, and if you are interested to know more, please keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Elle and I like to talk about makeup in this channel. So this Makeup Revolution highlighter palette has been in my wish list for a while, and I finally got this as a birthday gift from my friend. A huge shout out to her, you know who you are. Thank you so much for this palette, I really love it, and I've been saving this palette so that I could unbox and review it for you guys. So this palette retails for rupees 15.50 and sometimes you can get a discount on this online. So this Makeup Revolution Sophx highlighter palette is by the YouTuber Sophx, and this comes with an outer cardboard box, and the ingredient list is mentioned at the back of both the cardboard box and the palette. The packaging of this palette is sturdy and sleek, and this stunning palette comes with 8 gorgeous shades of highlighter. Look how gorgeous the highlighters are. There are some pressed highlighters and some baked ones. I think you can tell which are the baked ones. And now I think it's about time we get on to the swatches. The first shade looks like a pearl in the pan with a very subtle hint of green in it, but on the skin it looks like a pearly color. The second shade looks like a champagne in the pan, and it does look like a very pale champagne color on the skin. There isn't much difference between the first color and the second color on the skin though. The third shade is like a pale gold, and it does look like a pale gold on the skin. It's a beautiful, gorgeous color. I really love it. And the fourth shade again is a very light, pearly color. It looks like it has hints of bronze in it, but you don't really get to see that on the skin. It just looks very pale and very pearly, which is really pretty. To the bottom row, the fifth shade is a pearly dusty rose color, and it looks gorgeous on the skin, and I'm obsessed with this color. The sixth shade is a unicorn purple, and it does have those iridescent pearly sheen to it, and it looks like such an interesting color. I can't wait to try this one out. The next shade is a bronzy colored highlighter. It looks really gorgeous, and it just looks rich. It's beautiful. And the final shade is a very pretty pale bronze color. I think it could work as an illuminating bronzer. It's like really pretty and really subtle. And these are all the 8 gorgeous shades. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if you found this video